Want a Toyota SUV but don't have 30 lakhs rupees for a Fortuner or a Hi-Cross? That's where the Urban Cruiser Taisor comes in. In 2025, is this the affordable Toyota you've been waiting for? Let's find out. The Toyota Taisor is the brand's new compact SUV, co-developed with Maruti under their partnership. It's aimed at buyers who want Toyota's reliability and resale value, but in a smaller, more affordable package. The question is, does it offer real Toyota value, or is it just a rebadged Maruti? Let's take a closer look. From the outside, the Taisor looks sporty and confident. It gets a wide front grille, sleeker LED DRLs, and new alloy designs that set it apart from the Brezza. The design feels youthful and urban, perfect for young professionals and families alike. Yes, it shares its base with the Brezza, but Toyota's subtle styling tweaks give it a fresher, slightly more premium identity. Step inside, and the cabin feels clean, practical, and modern. There's a touchscreen infotainment system with connected car tech, automatic climate control, and up to 6 airbags in the higher variants. The layout is straightforward, easy to use, reliable, and built to last. It's not as flashy or tech-loaded as the Kia Sonet or Hyundai Venue. But Toyota focuses on quality and usability over gimmicks. Under the hood, the Taisor uses the same 1.5-liter petrol engine as the Maruti Brezza. You get manual and automatic options, along with a CNG variant for those chasing lower running costs. The engine delivers smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency, making it great for daily commutes and long drives. It's not designed for high-speed thrills. This SUV is all about refinement and economy. Prices range from 8.7 lakh rupees to 13 lakh rupees, placing it among the most accessible Toyota SUVs ever. That makes it a smart choice for middle-class families who want Toyota's trust factor, low maintenance, and resale value, without stepping into the premium SUV zone. In terms of safety, the Toyota Hyryder, which shares the same platform, scored 4 stars for adult protection and 3 stars for child protection in global NCAP tests. While the Taisor hasn't been tested under Bharat NCAP yet, it's expected to perform similarly thanks to its solid structure, ABS with EBD, ESP, and 6 airbags on higher trims. The Taisor offers Toyota's proven dependability, smooth performance, and everyday practicality in a well-priced package. However, it does share many elements with its Maruti twin. So if you're after something truly unique or performance-oriented, you might find Korean rivals like the Venue or Sonet more exciting. Still, for those who value reliability, fuel efficiency, and a trusted brand, the Toyota Taisor fits perfectly into the Indian family SUV space. So, what would you choose in 2025? The Toyota Taisor with its badge of reliability, or the Maruti Brezza, which offers nearly the same experience at a slightly lower price? Comment your pick below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because next we're doing the Taisor versus Brezza head-to-head comparison, and you'll be surprised who comes out on top. Prices mentioned are approximate and subject to change based on GST and market updates.